Hey everybody, so I am back today with another Paper Pumpkin video. This month we are doing the May 2018. It's called Manly Moments. So, let's see what's in the box. Ooh, so we have a Mossy Meadow Stampin' Spot. Then we have a stamp set with a whole bunch of different sayings in it. And then we have our kit with some cool guy cards. So, I'm going to open our kit. Okay. Then you rip the plastic open. We have dimensionals. Just fill out the package. Then we have our envelopes that have little designs on the inside. We have little stickers that look like mountain ranges. We have a whole bunch of those. We have little shapes that we're going to stamp on and some little shield looking shapes. And we have some banners. And we have card bases. We have some more card bases. And we have some tree line looking cutouts. Alright. So let's get started. I'm going to start with this card. So this one, it folds back. It folds underneath, like so. Then you take shield cutout and a white banner. Then the banner, you're going to bend the ends twice on the silver lines so that they like almost pop out, it looks like that. And then you're going to open your Stampin' Spot. And then we are going to do a happy birthday. So, we're going to go into our big stamp set. We're going to get the birthday. And then we're going to ink it up. Alright. And because we have these all stamped, we're going to pop those out as well. And then you can put that piece off to the side. And then for this one, I'm also going to stamp one more birthday on here. Alright. Once you stamp all those birthdays, then you're going to take your stamp and you're going to put back in this paper. Once you get that in, then you're going to take your shield. Now, you're going to put this birthday piece where you want it to go, or whatever sentiment you decide to use. Now for mine, because I used the birthday piece, I'm going to put the birthday piece in place and get the happy and the to you on one block so we can stamp them both at the same time. So now that we have the happy and the to you both on our block, we're going to line it up and we're going to see if we want to move something. So I'm going to move our happy down a little bit. And right there. So look, now when we stamp it, it's going to be perfectly in line. So I'm going to line up our birthday thing where we're going to put it, and then I'm going to ink up both the happy and the to you. So look, now there's ink on our stamp. And then we're simply just going to put it in the middle and press. And then sometimes you have to do this and you just look it off with your finger. And look, so now the happy and the to you are both stamped. And then we are going to get card front. And then we are going to take this and we're going to put it on dimensionals. And then you're also going to put dimensionals on the outside of your banner. So you're going to put it on each end. Like this. So you're going to take it and you're going to put it right about there on that side and about there on that side. And now we're simply just going to stick everything together. Once you get the dimensionals off, and take it, and you're going to stick it right about there on your paper. And it's kind of going to hold the card together, and then you can lift it up. You can write whatever you want on the inside. So, and once you do that, then you're going to take your banner, you're going to peel the dimensionals off the back of it. Once you get the dimensionals off the back of that one, then you're going to just take it, put the banner where you want to put it, and then you're going to just angle that right, and then stick it on. And then that is the first card all set and done. So we're going to put it in an envelope. So then you can put it off to the side for right now. Then we're going to do the other card. So we're going to get the plain white card bases. And fold it. Then you are going to find these pieces. And then you're going to stamp on them just like you did the other ones. I'm going to stamp the happy and the to you first. stamp, then you're going to put away the happy and the to you back in our stamp case. Then you're going to get the birthday back out and put that on your block. And then these are the banners that we need to stamp. So we're going to put the birthday on the block. And then we're going to ink it up. And then we're going to stamp. And once you're all done that, you're going to take the birthday back off the block. You're going to put it back in the stamp case where it goes. And then you're going to put the stamp off to the side. And you're going to put the cover on your stamping spot. Put it off to the side for right now. Then we're going to take this birthday, we're going to punch it out. And then we're going to fold 2 ways like we did the other one. And then, once you have that piece and that piece done, now we're going to work on our base. So, we have a plain white card base. Now we're going to need 1 tree cutout. Then we're going to need 1 of these pieces of paper. So first you're going to take this lighter gray and you're going to line it up with the bottom of the paper, and then you're going to stick it on. Then you're going to take the darker gray, take it on your paper, line it up the very bottom line, and stick it on. Then you're going to take the blue piece of paper, again, line it up with the bottom line, and stick it on. Then you're going to take this tree piece of paper, which is going to be raised a little bit, so we're going to put dimensionals on the back. So we're going to put our dimensionals on the back. I'll fast forward to when I'm done taking off the dimensional back. Alright, so now that we have all the dimensional backs off, we're going to take it and we're going to place it along the very bottom. So you're going to line it up. And you're going to place it and you're going to stick it down. And then you have this really cool like backdrop in the front. So then you're going to take these, and just as we did with the other cards, we're going to put dimensionals on the back. Alright, then now that you have all the dimensional backs off, you are going to take it, you're going to stick one end down there and one end down here. Okay, so now we are done, and you're just going to put it with an envelope. These envelopes have really cool like designs on the inside. And that's it for today. Now you guys have completed your May 2018 paper pumpkin. I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day. Bye!